Looking to extend your swimming season without relying on expensive gas or electric heaters? In this video, we'll cover the top 5 solar heaters for above-ground pools on Amazon in 2025. These picks offer great performance, easy installation, and eco-friendly heating power. Let's begin with the Aukivon 2025 Upgraded Solar Pool Heater. This kit comes with 2 curved HDPE solar panels designed to maximize sun exposure throughout the day. The unique curve shape increases the surface area exposed to sunlight, boosting the overall heat transfer efficiency. It also includes adjustable support legs, hoses, clamps, and even plumber's tape, making this an all-in-one solar heating solution. Designed for above-ground pools, this system is easy to install and can raise pool temperatures by 10 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit over time, depending on sunlight conditions. Users consistently praise the Aukivon system for its smart design, straightforward setup, and effective heating capability. Whether you're trying to warm a 10-foot round pool or a larger 24-foot model, this heater delivers solid results without increasing your electric bill. Next is the SunHeater Solar Pool Heating System, a well-known option in the solar heating category. This system includes 2 2-foot by 20-foot polypropylene solar panels, totaling 80 square feet of solar heating area. It's designed specifically for above-ground pools up to 31 feet round and can increase water temperature by up to 15 degrees Fahrenheit. The materials are UV stabilized for durability and come backed by a 5-year warranty, making it a long-term investment. The S421P connects easily to your pool's existing filtration system and can be mounted on a rack, roof, or directly on the ground. It's a highly effective passive solar system with a large footprint, ideal for users with available space and the desire for maximum heating power. Coming in third is the Smart Pool Solar Pool Heating System, a versatile and efficient choice that works well for both above-ground and in-ground pools. Like the SunHeater, it includes 2 2-foot by 20-foot solar panels, giving you 80 square feet of solar coverage. The Smart Pool system is known for its ability to raise pool temperatures by 10 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit over several days, making it a great solution for families wanting longer swim seasons without recurring energy costs. The kit includes a diverter valve, so you can regulate the flow of water to the panels or bypass them entirely when not needed. Many users report that this system delivers comparable heating performance to electric options, without the monthly bills. Fourth on the list is the IronMax Solar Pool Heater Panel, a slim and flexible option that's easy to install on a roof, rack, or patio. This panel is made of durable, weather-resistant polypropylene and offers strong heating efficiency for its compact size. It's ideal for smaller above-ground pools or for users with limited space. While it doesn't include the same all-in-one accessories as the Aukivon or SunHeater kits, it's a great option for users who want to add solar heating to an existing pump setup. Its lightweight design and slim profile make it especially easy to position and relocate throughout the season to maximize sun exposure.